5 ways to make your woman yours forever. At times, you enter the dating world and wonder why you are not getting the desired attention from the people you want. It is likely you even get, but it does not last for long. You dot you as in cross your T's, you are successful as a guy, probably earning in 6 figures, but you still do not have that long relationship you crave. Below are some ways you can keep a woman attracted to you for the longest time according to the medium. 1. Compliment things outside her look. I hate to break it to you, but most women hear you look pretty or you have a great body almost every day. However, there are some compliments that are not common and will make a woman stop in her track to appreciate you. Compliments that focus just on a woman's appearance aren't going to carry as much weight as a compliment she hasn't heard as often. She's going to be used to having her surface complimented, but to make a woman truly notice you, find a way to compliment something deeper about her. Something such as "I love your ethics" can go a long way than a constant "you are beautiful." She probably heard how beautiful she is from the guy that sells stuff down her road. 2. Pay attention to the details. Something as tiny as you noticing she just had her nails made will make a lot of difference to a woman. Listening to the little things women say they like and don't like and capitalizing on those is an easy way to score points with a woman. Listen to her often and find out the little things she appreciates. 3. Be positive. It is totally understandable if you say everyone goes through stress, however, that does not mean you have to be another stress for her. If she goes through stress at work, calm her down, let her know you are down for her. 4. Dress to impress. Please do not dress like a retired mechanic because you are a guy. Please. Dress to impress her. If she likes jeans and shirts, wear them when she is around, just dress well and smart. She does not want someone that looks like her grandfather. Do you smell nice? Or you smell like you just finished a sweat odor battle? 5. Be vulnerable. Okay, being a hard guy is cute, but then, once in a while, women want to see the vulnerable side. This is not to say call every time and be sobbing, but discuss your problems with her. Share some of those bits of yourself that are soft, whether it be how much you love your siblings or how it was rough when your best friend broke your heart when you were in college. Those things will matter to her way more than how much is in your bank account, or not. Your woman is as important as your job. Please her and make efforts to be a better man for her. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.